And it's Woods.
And we about to you with another reaction.
Did
we just hear somebody diss Eminem?
Yeah, they trying to diss Eminem. Who trying to diss Eminem though?
Machine Gun Kelly.
What is it called? Rap Devil?
That's what it's called. That's what it's called. Let's see what we need to see. We need to see, like we got to see
because how can he try to diss Eminem though?
I don't know. I never even heard him though.
Me either.
So I can't say nothing.
Right, because I don't know if he can rap.
So like we gotta see what he said here. What did he say in this
video? Like what you have to say about it?
If you seen it, don't even tell me until I'm done watching it.
Don't even tell the shit. Just sit back and get your popcorn and like, comment, and subscribe, you know, and turn on your post notifications, okay?
Yeah.
So we can get into this video. Y'all done? Is y'all done? Alright, let's get into
it. I can't take him serious.
No, because, and he about skinny as heck.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Hey, somebody grab his clippers. This fucking beard is weird. Talk from a rapper paying millions for security a year. I think my dad's gone crazy. Yeah, Haley, you right. Dad's always mad, cooped up in the studio, yelling at the mic. You sober and bored, huh? I know. About to be 46 years old, dog. Talking about, I'ma call a trick. Man, you sound like a bitch. Man up and handle your shit. Mad about something I said in 2012. Took you 6 years and a surprise album just to come with a diss. Homie, we get it.
Okay.
What did he say in 2012, you guys?
He said all the way in 2012, it took you 6 years to make a disc.
Woo! I don't know. I don't know about that, B.
Nah, me either.
We know that you're the greatest rapper alive. Fucking dweeb, all you do is read the dictionary and stay inside. Fuck rap god, I'm the rap devil. Come up barefaced with a black shovel like the Armageddon. When the smoke settles, his body next to this instrumental. I'm saying, I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny ass, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of us sing dance from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can get gully, I'll size up your body and put some white chalk around it. Let's talk about the fact you actually blackball a rapper that's twice as young as you. Let's call Sway, ask why I can't go up to Shea 45 because of you. Let's ask Interscope how you had Paul Rosenberg trying to shelf me. Still can't cover up the facts, your last 4 hours is back to selfie. Now tell me, what are you staying for? I know you can't stand yourself. Trying to be the old you so bad, you stand yourself. Let's leave all the beef in the 50, please. You're pushing 50. Why you claiming I'ma call Puff when you the one that called Diddy facts? Then you went and called Jimmy facts. The coppers called me in the morning. They told me you mad about a tweet. You wanted me to say sorry. I swear to God I ain't believe them. Please say it ain't so. The big bad bully of the rap game can't take a fucking joke. Oh, you want some fuck?
He said, and yes, didn't you agree? He told me that you wanted me to say sorry.
And he didn't want to say sorry.
Because he can't take a fucking joke.
Yes.
This is crazy. Listen to the bars in the song.
I'm sorry, like he can actually rap. Like he really spitting some shit.
But not literally, you'll choke. Yeah, I'll acknowledge you're the dope, but I'm the gunner, bitch, I got you in the scope. Don't have a heart attack now. Somebody help your mans up. Knees weak or OA, the real Slim Shady can't stand up. Sick of sweatsuits and corny ass, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of us sing dance from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can get gully, I'll size up your body and put some white chalk around it.
You know what, talk around.
My name's Colson, you should go back to recovery. I know your ego is hurting just knowing that all of your fans discovered me. He like, damn, he a younger me. Except he dresses better and I'm ugly, always making fun of me. Stop all the thuggery, Marshall, you living in luxury. Hey, look what you done to me, dropped an album just because of me. Damn, you in love with me. You got money, but I'm hungry. I like it this, but you won't say them lyrics out in front of me. Shout out to every rapper that's a fun of me. Know that I'll never do you like this fuckery. Still bitter after everyone loves you. Pull that wedgie out your dungarees. I gotta respect the OGs.
Pull that Reggie out the dungarees. He got bars.
Yes, you do, bro.
Machine Gun Kelly got bars. No, I ain't got bars.
Personally, hey, but you just a bully acting like a baby, so I gotta read you a nursery. I'm the ghost of the future, and you just have the needs of Scrooge. I said I'm flex, anyone can get it. I ain't know it would be you. I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny ass, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of us a single dance from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can get Billy outside of your body and put some white chalk around it. Hey, ride a shot,
everybody out.
Road is dope. It's a fast road.
And he said, I'm one of the ones to come back.
Never hesitate to say it to your face. I'm an asshole. Bitch asshole. Fuck you. We know you get nervous, rabbit. I see mama spaghetti all over your sweater.
That nigga rabbit.
Yourself on the record that you made a decade ago. They were better. According to them, you're a national treasure. To me, you're a soft as a feather. The type to be scared to ask Rihanna for another. Just hold her umbrella, Ella. I'm not afraid. Okay, I'm chill on the couch. You got an Oscar, damn. Can anyone else get some food in their mouth? For real. They made a movie about you. You in everybody's top 10. You're not getting better with time. It's fine. Eminem, put down a pen. Or write an apology over the simple fact you had the dish to acknowledge me. I am the prodigy. How could I even look up to you? You ain't as tall as me. 5'8", I'm 6'4". 7 punches hold your head still. Last time we saw 8 Mile was at home on a treadmill. You were named after a candy. I was named after a gangster. And don't be a sucker and take my verse off of Yellow Wolf's album. Thank you. I just want to feed my daughter. You try to stop the money to support her. You the one always talk about the action. Text me the addy, I'm pulling up scrapping. And I'm by my fucking self, what's happening? ESC cat to salute me and shoot me. That's what he's gonna have to do to me when he realizes that it ain't shit he can do to me. Everybody always hated me. This isn't anything new to me. Yeah, there's a difference between us. I got all of my shit without Dre producing me. I know he's not used to me. Usually one of your disses should ruin me. But bitch, I'm from Cleveland. Everybody quiet to see that I'm reading the eulogy. He dropped an album called Kamikaze, so that means he killed him. Already fucked one rapper girl this week, don't maybe call Kim. I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny hats, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. Or we'll sing dance from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can get Billy outside of your body and put some white chalk around it.
Bro, I swear he just...
Did he just body it?
Yes, bro. He talk about some, you gonna make this diss, but I bet you can't come to my face and say it though.
Did he just body it?
Yes, he did.
Did he just body it?
Yes, he did.
Y'all,
yes,
he snapped. He snapped.
He snapped.
Not even know no type of stuff like that. He said what he had to say in his diss and he let it go. I ain't even never heard of him. But Eminem did call everybody else. So tell me what you think about it. Who right, who wrong, who diss you like?
Right. I feel like he got the right to come back and say something because he called everybody else out. So
right.
I mean, there you go.
So why not?
There go your rap battle. You feel me? So. But hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. He kind of
he's sweet.
Yeah. So Eminem gotta come back something hard, you know.
They both got them bars.
Yeah.
But other than that, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers, and we ain't stopping at that, y'all. Feel me? So let's run it up, run it up, run it up. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
We
and
out.
Follow our social medias. All right.
We out,
baby.
Yeah. She text me, babe, when you coming home. She ain't trippin', she just can't wait to give me all alone. My baby, I already know what she wants.